Please subscribe to the World of Nick for more such videos.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball bouncing down the street. C is for cat with a purr so neat. D is for drum, tap tap the beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swim away. G is for goat, munching hay. H is for horse, neighs in the bay. I am a kid learning every day. With my alphabet friends come out and play. J is for jolly, wobbly delight. K is for kite soaring in flight. One sunny morning, I took a stroll. L is for lion, he's on a roll. M is for monkey, swing in a line. N is for nest where the birds align. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for puppy, barking with might. Q is for queen in a castle so grand. R is for rainbow after the rain has spanned. I remember the days when I learned these sounds with my friends all around. Laughter abounds. S is for sun, shining on me. T is for turtle, slow as can be. U is for umbrella, keeping me dry. V is for van, zooming by. W is for whale singing in the sea. X marks the spot, come treasure with me. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra, black and white found. With each little letter I feel so free. This alphabet adventure means the world to me. So let's sing together, let's have some fun. Learning phonetics, oh what a run. From A to Z we'll dance and play. Come join the chorus, hip hip hooray.